Hello, you guys. It's Lauren. Welcome back to my channel for the love of. If you are joining me for the first time, I want to say welcome and thanks for taking the time to click on this long overdue Front Porch Candle Company video. If you're a returning viewer or subscriber, welcome back. You guys, today we're going to be doing a Front Porch Candle Company first impressions / unboxing. This just arrived today. I purchased this over a month ago. No fault to Front Porch Candle Company. It's just USPS takes forever in my area. Better late than never. I'm really happy it arrived. I hope you guys are doing well. I might move through today's video a little more quickly just because I'm having some recording issues. But what I do want to share with you before we dive in, because I don't know when else I'll talk about this, this also arrived super late, about a month ago as well. I ordered this Radiant Red Maple Tester Candle. Got this on Mercari for about $8. I was so happy to find it. Unburned, of course, and I don't plan on burning this one. I just absolutely love the fragrance. Can't remember if this one was 2014 or 2015. Very nostalgic for me. Those of you who aren't familiar, the notes are Macintosh apple, smoky woods, and toasted marshmallow. Just overall a great scent. I believe Sassy Girl, or maybe one of the other vendor wax companies, does have a dupe or something similar to Radiant Red Maple, but that also arrived today and I figured I would throw it in and share it with you guys. You Bath & Body Works lovers out there, I think you'll appreciate it. All right, enough about that in my Mercari order. Without further ado, let's get into some wax. And the first one of the haul is a Grubby Tart from, of course, this is all Front Porch Candle Company. This one is Almond Extract. Didn't know quite what to expect with this one. To be honest with you guys, this is the strongest one of the bunch, of all of the ones I've gotten today. It literally smells like a sweetened almond. Those of you who are familiar with like Jergens, honey almond soap, honey almond lotion, that's exactly what this smells like. I can imagine this one's going to be pretty strong. It also has a little bit like of a cherry scent to it as well. I don't know if that's just because it's a sweetened almond. Really happy with this one. I wasn't sure if it was going to be more foody or more perfumey. This one's definitely on kind of like the sweetened almond foody with maybe a hint of cherry side. This one smells amazing. Can't wait to melt this one. Next up is the Blueberry Birthday Cake. Now, they obviously look like they melted down a little bit. They're still intact for the most part. These were, of course, sitting for over a month. So again, I'm not faulting Front Porch Candle. They did actually hold up pretty nicely. It seems like this wax is a little bit more soft, a little more pliable. Definitely not a paraffin wax, but this is what they look like. They're these darling little pig shapes. I actually like these because I think they're going to be a little easier than to have to cut up, say, the Grubby Tarts or anything like that. Just pop one or two of these in the warmer. Look at how cute that is. So this is the Blueberry Birthday Cake. And I got a few blueberry themed fragrances. And to be honest, this one to me, it smells like a sweetened blueberry with like funfetti frosting or something to that effect. Definitely very gourmand, very, very sweet. Of all the blueberry scents I got, this one's probably my favorite. It's pretty strong as well. So actually all the ones that I got today seem to be on the stronger side, which is a good thing. Again, we'll see how it is when I melt it down. But if you're like a blueberry fan, you might want to give this one a try. Again, that's the Blueberry Birthday Cake. And even though they kind of melted down a little bit, not too bad. Doesn't matter. They're all still going to melt down the same way. This one was definitely my favorite of the blueberry scents. Moving right along, guys, we have Banana Cream Zucchini Bread. This one was undoubtedly the one I was the most excited for, just because I did really enjoy Bath & Body Works banana milkshake that came out a couple of years ago, and I'm kind of intrigued with these zucchini bread fragrances. So this one I was the most excited about. This is obviously a 4-pack Grubby Tart. I have the other one right here. The Grubby Tarts seem to hold up a little bit better than the little pigs did. Again, I think it's just because they were in the mail so long. These are also still very soft wax though, semi-soft wax. Anyhow, fragrance-wise on this, I'm really impressed. This one seems to be probably the second strongest, maybe third strongest of the bunch, at least on cold. Those of you who burned Bath & Body Works, the banana milkshake fragrance that came out a couple years ago, to me, this smells almost identical to it. I really don't get much. It says zucchini bread as well. I don't know if this is going to have to cure a little bit longer because I'm not getting too much like spicy zucchini bread or any heavy bread or anything like that with this fragrance. I really just get kind of that banana milkshake, banana pudding type vibe. I can catch a little bit of maybe a warm, heavy bread in the undertones of this one. I will see. I will definitely wind up chopping one of these up and melting it just to give it a try, but I do plan to let these cure a little bit longer just to see if the fragrance changes over time. So again, that is the banana cream zucchini bread. And moving right along to clamshells, you guys. So that's it on all of the melts, individual melts and grubby tarts. I did wind up grabbing a couple clamshells just because the scents I wanted were in clamshell form. So the next one we have is blueberry bread vanilla frosting. So the one thing I like about getting clamshells is obviously this is so much more intact than these ones. The wax doesn't seem to be much different. All right, you guys, so we're still looking at that blueberry bread vanilla frosting, and to me the wax seems almost identical. I think she is using the same type of wax. Those of you who are familiar with Front Porch, you can comment down below. I do like, especially if you're going to be doing purchases in warmer weather, clamshells might be the way to go, especially if the vendor has a softer wax. I know some do offer ice packs. I don't remember if an ice pack was available with this order. Nonetheless, this was the blueberry bread vanilla frosting. I'm just happy it didn't melt too much or at all. So this fragrance itself, to be honest with you guys, this is the one I was most excited about, blueberry bread vanilla frosting. It just sounded like it was really, really yummy. But on cold, it's probably one of the lighter ones of the bunch. It's not unnoticeable or anything. But to be honest, the blueberry really, to me, smells a little artificial, which no biggie. Blueberry scents tend to do that. But the vanilla note that's inside this one, it almost comes across, it kind of smells almost artificial as well. So the two of these coupled together just aren't doing it for me. I will obviously let it cure. I'm going to melt it down. I'll obviously do follow-ups on it. But just going off cold, to me, the blueberry bread vanilla frosting is not as yummy as the blueberry birthday cake. The blueberry birthday cake, I really get kind of like that yummy funfetti frosting with a bit of blueberry. Whereas for whatever reason, the blueberry and vanilla combo in this one just seem a little artificial. Anyhow, I will do Instagram follow-ups, but that's the blueberry bread vanilla frosting right there. And we have one more clamshell to show you guys. So the next one I got was, and this is much different than the other scents I got today. This is Lavender Laundry. I kept seeing everybody post about all their different laundry, linen fragrances, Gain, lavender, downy scents. And I really wanted to try like a lavender linen type blend. This one is strong on cold, strong. Like I said, the Almond Extract is the strongest on cold, but the Lavender Laundry is second strongest. It really just smells like fresh, clean laundry. What you would imagine like a clean, standard laundry scent, linen type scent to smell like, mixed with a little bit of lavender. If you're looking for something that is heavier on lavender, I would say this might not be for you. To me, if I would have maybe smelt this, if it were available in store or anything like that, this may have been a little too clean fresh for me. I would have liked to have smelled a little more lavender going on in this one. I'd say this is more 80-20, at least on cold, definitely heavier on like that laundry linen type fragrance. I like it. It's pretty, but I'm a lavender gal, so I guess I would have liked to have seen more of that. I will definitely wind up melting this one down and do Instagram follow-ups, of course, but I just wanted to switch it up. Those of you who have burned any of the different like laundry scents, linen scents, definitely comment down below and let me know which ones are some of your favorites, because I obviously haven't tried any yet. But again, just wanted to switch it up. It smells good, but if you guys are looking for a lavender type scent that's heavier on lavender, I don't think this one would be it. You guys, that concludes our first ever Front Porch Candle Company unboxing / first sniff impressions. I feel like I got a pretty good variety between the grubby tarts, and then of course the clam shells, and then of course the cute little shaped piggies. Pretty nice variety of fragrances. They were all, for the most part, pretty strong scents, and I can't wait to kind of chop them up, melt them up, and do Instagram follow-ups. If you guys are interested, and if you don't follow me on Instagram, that's where I do a lot of my fragrance follow-ups. Come find me there. I'm at life, LIFE _ WITH _ letter L. Again, I use my Instagram to post a lot of upcoming videos, purchases, hauls, wax follow-ups, things like that. So if you're on there, come find me. You guys, I do also want to throw out there, I do have one more Front Porch Candle Company order coming. Again, this one took so long to arrive. Who knows when my secondary one will arrive, but just keep watching and we'll keep our fingers crossed. It'll be arriving within the coming weeks. You guys, that is it for me today. Thank you for taking the time out of your day to watch this haul. I hope you guys are having an awesome day, awesome evening, weekend, whatever time it is you're watching this video. And until next time, we'll see you later.